Hi, good morning, children. Hope you're all doing well. Children, look at your crazy friend. Who is he? Yes, he is Chota Bheem. You're all fond of him, right? What is he famous for? Even though he is about 8 years old, he is having extraordinary strength. Chota Bheem likes to eat good food. Especially, he is fond of eating laddus that made him more stronger and more energetic, with which he could easily defeat his opponents in wrestling, cycling, etc. Look at the two children here. How nicely they are drawing and coloring pictures. What about this girl? She is swinging on a swing in a park. She is very happy in doing so. What about these two little doctors? They are checking the patient and giving medicine. Look at these boys. They are seriously studying their lessons. Children, to do all these activities, you need sound mind. And you know, sound mind is in sound body. That is, we should be healthy and energetic. For this, what we have to do? Yes, we should eat good food 3 times a day. That is, breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. Well, what type of foods we eat? We eat leafy vegetables like palak, amaranth, coriander, mint, lettuce, vegetables like carrot, brinjal, capsicum, cabbage, tomato, potato, fruits like apple, mango, grapes, orange, plum, strawberry, and nuts or dry fruits like almond, walnut, pista, cashew nut, etc. Children, we also eat food grains like rice, wheat, jowar, ragi, and moreover dals like tur dal, moong dal, and chana dal. Children, till now we saw the food products coming from plants. We get our food even from animals also. Is it not? Cow, buffalo gives us milk. You can see various products made out of milk. Here the lady is eating cornflakes, fruits mixed in milk. Look at the girl. She is enjoying eating ice cream. Here is the delicious chocolate candy. Eggs, fish, chicken. These are also other animal food products. Children, we saw many foods till now. Some food items are cooked into tasty dishes to eat with interest. Some food items like fruits and some vegetables like tomato, carrot, etc. are eaten raw. They have different nutrients in them. Let us know how these nutrients are helpful to us. Firstly, we have carbohydrates. We find carbohydrates mostly in rice, wheat, sugar, potatoes, banana, etc. They give us instant energy and warmthness to our body. Secondly, proteins. Food items like dals or pulses, eggs, meat, fish are rich in proteins. Proteins helps our body to grow and helps in healing the wounds. Next, vitamins. Most of the vegetables, fruits and nuts are rich in vitamins. Vitamins keep our body healthy. Next, minerals. They help to regulate body functions like muscle contractions and enzyme activities. To say a few, the mineral iron improves blood. People lack of iron suffer from anemia that creates lot of health issues. Calcium is responsible for bone strength. Milk, leafy vegetables, banana are rich in minerals. Coming to fats, they store high energy in the body and supplies that energy when required. Sweets, snacks made of different oils are rich in fats. We have to do physical work to make use of that energy. We need to do lot of physical work to digest the fats in pizza, burger, etc. Those fats are not healthy. Such foods are called junk foods. They are tasty and delicious, but by eating too much junk food, we become fat and obese. Our mother always thinks of our health, so we should always eat the food prepared by our mother. Lastly, drinking right amount of water is very important to us. Water removes toxins or waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine and improves digestion. So children, eat healthy home food and be fit physically and mentally. So children, to be fit enough, daily we have to eat right amounts of these nutrients through our food. That food is called balanced diet. Children, look at this girl. She is looking quite healthy by eating balanced diet. If we don't take balanced diet, we suffer from malnutrition that causes anemia and they won't be fit enough to do all works. Children, if we are all fit enough to perform our duties, only then we can look after our parents and family later. Even our country can progress in the front line. But many children in our country are suffering from malnutrition. Thinking of this, our Honorable Prime Minister started a Poshan Abhiyan mission to eradicate the malnutrition hazards. Children, coming to our lesson, foods we eat. Here we observe few students sitting and talking about the food they ate last night. These children are from various places and various traditions. So their food habits are different. Let us see what they are saying. Look at this boy. He says, last night I ate chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Bajra flour is mixed with jaggery to make a dough from which chapati is made. This girl says she cooked dal and rice. Mostly South Indians eat dal and rice. This girl says, yesterday no food was cooked in my house. So there was no food in her house. Maybe her mother may be out of the house or some other reason. This girl says, my mother cooked fish. I ate a lot of it. It was really very tasty. What about this boy? He says, my mother brought noodles for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating it. This girl says, Amma had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like. I ate an omelette instead. So she ate omelette instead of eating kheer and puri. And what about this boy? He says, I went to Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati there. Children, do this assignment in your classwork. You have to make a list of favorite dishes of your family members along with various foods used in making the dish. So here in the first column you have to write the names of your family members. Father, mother, brother, myself, sister or someone, whoever it is. In the second column you have to write their favorite dish. Father favorite dish is suppose chapati and chole. So that you have to write. And foods used in the dish. So to make chapati we require wheat flour, and chole is made with chana. So this wheat and chana dal, that you have to write here. So likewise you write for others also, children, depending on their interesting food. Children, next activity. What did you eat yesterday? Write on the plate given below. So you are given a plate. So lines are there. On that you have to write what you ate yesterday. For example, I am giving rice, dal, puri, palak paneer, curd and banana. So you have to write what you ate yesterday. We all need food to stay alive. Food gives us energy and helps to grow. Tick the following foods that you think good for you. Children, in these food items, apple, orange, banana, which are fruits, they are good for health. Vegetables, good for health. Meat, fish, good for health. Chocolate, noodles, French fries, they come under junk food. They are not good for health. Too much eating them is not good for health. Children, next choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Your options are health, wash, chew, meals, milk. First question. We should dash our food properly. We should chew our food properly. Second, we should have our dash at fixed time. We should have our meals at fixed time. Third, dash is a complete food. Milk is a complete food. Next, We should dash our hands before and after meals. We should wash our hands before and after our meals. Next, toffees, chips and cool drinks are not good for dash. Toffees, chips and cool drinks are not good for health. Very good. So children, eat healthy food, stay fit and help your family. That's all for today's lesson. As usual, write your answers in the classwork and submit in the group. Again, we will meet in the next week. Till then, bye-bye.